Good evening, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com. Wednesday night about 10:30 as we record this video update for you. And this frontal boundary across the southern Ohio Valley has been the focal point for more numerous thunderstorm activity across the southern third of the state today. Some locally heavy rain and even a couple of reports of large hail coming out of a few of those stronger thunderstorms downstate today. Thankfully, though, we're heading into a drier, calmer pattern for the next 24 hours or so. I think most of tomorrow can be expected to, we should be able to enjoy dry and calmer conditions with more in the way of sunshine. But clouds will quickly begin to increase as moisture returns Thursday evening, Thursday night, and I think really as we move into late Thursday night and into Friday, it's going to offer up the most widespread rain we've seen in quite some time across the state. Numerous showers can be expected, maybe a rumble of thunder as well, into late Friday night and very early Saturday before we trend drier during the day on Saturday. That will only be replaced with more active times yet again Sunday afternoon into the day on Monday. And a couple of the thunderstorms Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening could become strong. Something to keep in mind if you've got weekend plans, especially during the day on Sunday. We'll keep you updated on that. High pressure will return to the Great Lakes region as we move into early and middle parts of next week, and that should supply a very pleasant pattern here locally and drier overall before we potentially deal with more shower and thunderstorm activity the middle parts of next week. Looking longer term, guys, this is a look at the end of May and the first part of June off of the GFS ensemble. Basically, the shaded green areas represent above normal precipitation during that time frame. You get the idea here on this particular model of the Midwest heading into more of an active pattern to wrap up the month of May and head into early June. That is also shown here, at least across the Ohio Valley region, off of the new European weeklies that came in this evening. Not as much here across the upper Midwest, the Plains region, but across the Ohio Valley at least. Wetter than average conditions expected to wrap up the month of May. And finally, the CFSV2 also kind of shows that same active pattern. So general model agreement on more active times ahead as we wrap up the month of May and head into early June. Something to look forward to, and we'll keep you posted on NDWX.com. In the meantime, make it a great night. We'll talk with you soon.